everyone, Dr. Kalpana Randive here. So today I'm going to show you the recipe for an Ayurvedic Kashayam. It's also called as Kadha, and in just English language it's called as tea. Essentially what it is a decoction of various spices and herbs. The idea behind that is to keep your nasal passages of your breathing channel clear. So in today's time, when we have a coronavirus lockdown, a recipe that I'm going to share with you today is something that you can use to boost up your immunity, not just now, but also in the future. If you have kids, you can make this so that it is beneficial for all members of your family to really build up your immunity. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so what you see really over here is red chili flakes, cinnamon stick, licorice root, fresh ginger, dried ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and cloves. And the final ingredient is the jaggery. This is raw sugar, straight from the sugarcane juice. It's cooked and it's made without any bleaching. It's as pure as it can get. And now the reason why I put it into 3 different parts is because you can choose how much of the jaggery you needed. It's also called as panella in Mexico. And so I prefer putting this, but if you really don't have this, you can put some brown sugar, and dark brown sugar is better, and that would work too. And what you're going to do is take all these ingredients and put it in the water and let it boil for a good 10 to 15 minutes, cool it down, and then we're going to turn it into a drinking kashayam, kadha, or tea. Look at that color. It's still cooking. It's been about half an hour. So this is like the slow brew. As you can see, it's beginning to brew. Okay, so let's check on our tea. It's been boiling for about half an hour, and you can see the change of the color. And then the yellow fluff which had come in is all gone. At this point, I would actually put in the jaggery, and that would melt in it. You can also put it right in the beginning if you don't want it. This way, putting it in the end just keeps it a little bit less sweet. If you're making this for children who prefer it to be a little bit more sweet, then definitely put more jaggery. Jaggery, unlike white sugar, is actually nourishing. It's better than putting honey. I don't like to put honey in anything hot, because the minute you put honey in anything hot, it becomes toxic. So honey has to be eaten raw. The jaggery you can easily cook with. So as you can see, the color of the tea is definitely much different. This is a slow cook kind of kadha, kashayam, tea, no matter what you call it. And as you can see, because we haven't boiled it, we've managed to, if you can see this stirry ingredients, they have actually infused out into it. And if it was boiling, it would be a completely different look and feel to this tea. So this is a slow, diffused, infused kind of a method made in stainless steel pot. There is another method. I make this in clay pot as well. This majority of people don't have the clay pot. I wanted to show how it's done in a stainless steel pot. Better than a non-stick. Definitely no non-stick or plastic or aluminum. Almost an hour of being on the #1 setting of the gas. This has finally begun to boil. So this was a slow boil. See, the color is a little bit more coherent. The water was right over here. You can see the line. It's almost, so it's kind of reduced in the whole process. So we've accomplished what we needed to. So now we're going to strain this. Be careful. The other option is you can pour it into this and then serve it for the rest of the family. Okay, so after 1 hour of making this Kadha, the Kashayam, it's time to taste it and see how it has turned out and whether we're really feeling the effect of this. So let's taste it. Definitely is spicy, and I can feel the kick. I can literally feel the burn inside my throat and the upper respiratory tract lining, especially the one which goes inside the lungs, and I can feel the heat. So it's not just the heat of the tea itself, it's a spicy heat that is going in, and I can feel just that one sip is already feeling like it's working at a whole different level. So I hope you try this at home, feel the difference, and I can feel that the red pepper gave it a real different zing, and instantly I'm already feeling the nose beginning to leak, so it kind of helps you clear out the nasal passages, and this was just within a couple of sips that I'm feeling it already. So my guess is after I finish this whole cup, I'm going to have a little bit more of a leaky nose and cleary throat and things coming out, which is a good thing because you want them to come out. If it stays brewing and things don't dry out, like the mucus doesn't dry out inside the lungs, then we have trouble. So I hope you make this, and if you have any questions or comments, please type them right below, and please feel free to share with as many people as possible. You never know who might benefit from this and feel good about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.